The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100 is not a motorcycle, it's a secret Italy tried to hide behind closed doors. Because what Aprilia has done this time doesn't feel legal. It feels like someone combined racetrack DNA with something far more dangerous: curiosity, rebellion, and pure mechanical madness. At first glance, the RSV4 looks familiar, but the real shock is underneath the skin. Aprilia quietly re-engineered the entire airflow system. A new dual-stage ram air channel pulls in air even when the bike is leaned at extreme angles, something most riders will never discover unless they push it on the edge of fear. More air in, more anger out, and the 1100 V4 responds like it's alive, waiting for a moment to attack. The ECU is whisper-tuned with algorithms Aprilia originally developed for prototype racing. These maps adjust themselves based on micro-vibrations in the chassis. It's like the bike listens to the road before you even react. If the surface changes, the power delivery transforms in milliseconds, a trick no brochure will ever mention. But the real secret lies in the aero package. Those winglets aren't just for downforce. Aprilia has hidden a heat redirect system behind them. At high speed, the air channels move hot air away from the engine and rider, keeping the bike cooler when everything else around it feels like it's breaking. This is the kind of detail racers pay engineers millions for. The chassis is forged with a new aluminum blend so rare, Aprilia didn't even name it. They just call it Series 5. It bends where it needs to, stays rigid where it must, and gives the rider a feeling of floating at 300 km/h. Most will call it confidence. Aprilia calls it control. And then there's the sound, a low-frequency growl designed to vibrate through your chest. The exhaust pulses were engineered with the help of Aprilia's racing acoustic team. Yes, a team that studies sound like a weapon. Every button, every pixel on the new TFT, every shadow inside the fairing, it all feels like Aprilia built the RSV4 Factory 1100 for people who don't just ride, they hunt for something greater than speed. Something unexplored. Something forbidden. Because this is not a superbike. This is a message: if you dare, ride me.